inside Nihao. Rushing up Scott May, Wildstorm Salvatore. Moving up is Go Snake, Go T-Bone, Master Kai, Surveses, and racing second last, Hot Gossip, Dan Scorix, running at the tail of the field, and rounding the far turn, one Bahamas, followed by Wildstorm. Go Snake, Go, closing in third. T-Bone is running in fourth. Cat May as they race the last 450. Now Wildstorm take the lead, one Bahamas. Go Snake is running by the rail. Also rushing up T-Bone. Wildstorm followed by Go Snake, one Bahamas, T-Bone. Wildstorm, T-Bone is running by the rail, but still Wildstorm, one Bahamas, T-Bone, entering the finish line. It's going to be Wildstorm, T-Bone, one Bahamas, Cat May, Salvatore, and Master Kai for your Super 6.